Good morning, good afternoon, any part of the world you might be watching this from. My name is Inka. So here I just want to quickly show you how you can sign up easily for Smart Boat using your email. You understand? So this is how you do it. So of course your hotline or whoever told you about this will have sent you their link and most also to their code. Their code is always the last thing on their link here. You understand? So the first thing first is just click on the link. It will take you straight to your browser, or better still, so that it won't be doing that, you can just copy it, open in browser. Yes, so just copy it and open in a browser this way. You understand? So I'm going to close this. So good. So once it loads to your browser this way, next thing is for you to click on this connect. You can click on any one of it, either the one up or the one down. You understand? So once you click on connect, it's going to bring you straight to this page where you have Phantom Wallet. You can either register also to with Phantom Wallet, OKX Wallet. But the reason why I prefer using this email option is because for Phantom Wallet you need to save some things called private keys and all that, so it might be difficult for newbies. You understand? So but if you are a veteran in the crypto space, you can use that. So but for someone who's just starting afresh, just click on this email. So just select the email option. So I'm going to select this email option. All right, so now since it's the first time you want to register, you will need to select this option of I don't have account. You understand? So let me highlight it. Yes, this particular one is what you click. Just click on register now. You understand? So leave the login side. So I'll just click on don't have an account. So once you now come here, the next thing is for you to fill in the email you want to be logging in and your password. You get? So let me just quickly do that right away. So I'll just fill in an email. So let me use this particular one, but I'm going to because I've actually used it to register before, so let me just separate it with a dot so that I can still receive the email there. So once I've done that, I'll just click on verify that I am human. You understand? So I will do that right away. So I'll click on verify that I'm human. So you also fill in your password. So let me change this to something easier. Let me just do smart 84. Yeah, so let me use smart 84 here too. Capital letter must be there, so you use capital letter and small letter. Smart 84. So make sure you have it as a mix like that. So confirm, make sure that the two of them are showing the same. You understand? So once you've done that, then just click on this send. You click on this send verification code, this particular one. You understand? So click on it. So it will start counting down 60 seconds. So quickly go to your email. Just quickly go to your email. You will see the code. It will have been showing there. So let me refresh. Okay, good. You can see right here. So this is the email. Sorry, this is it right now in my email. You understand? So I will just quickly click on it, then copy the code. You see the code right here. You understand? So this is the code now. So I'm going to just copy this code and I'll go and paste it in my on that registration site. So let me just quickly copy it now. It's 60 seconds, so we have to be very fast. You have to be very, very fast. So you can imagine it in 27 seconds. So I pasted it there. So the next thing is for me to now click on register. I'll now click on register. So let me just tap on it, register. So just give it some few seconds. It will load it and good. Automatically you've registered. So of course, if it's your browser, you can save your password. So but let me just leave it this way. So once it's registered this way, that is not all. You now click on, make sure you finalize the registration. Just click on this refer section, this refer button. So click on the refer. Most likely you might still need to do the final binding because you are using email. Adibi's wallet, it will have automatically done it. So you click on binding. You understand? So click on this binding. So you now put, it will automatically bring out the code, yes, of whoever you registered with. You can see it right here. So what I would now do is to just click on confirm. You understand? So click on confirm. Then again, go back again there, click on confirm. This sandwich community is the community we belong to. So just click on confirm. Then you now create a username for yourself. So let's say I want to just use YK25. Yeah. So let me use this as my username. Confirm. Good. So once you do this, automatically you see that this section here showing your email before will now start showing your username. So once you are done with that, you are good to go. You understand? The next thing now is for you to just go to deposit. If you want to deposit and start your investment, to deposit, you click on this wallet option here. And there's another video I'm going to send to you on how to deposit. So that this one will not be too long. This is just basically for registration. Hope this helped. God bless.